Today I've got a super easy variation on the Dark and Stormy. Dark and Stormy is a rum-based cocktail, being rum and ginger beer, with lime juice, of course. This ever so subtle twist includes the addition of falernum. Now, I have an abundance of falernum on hand at the moment because I hosted a workshop and showed people how to make different syrups and liqueurs. And the falernum was one of the recipes that was featured in the workshop. I'll leave a link to that in the description below in case you are interested. I've got plenty of workshops coming up. But falernum itself is a rum-based tiki liqueur. It's used in cocktails such as the Satin, Three Dots and a Dash, to name a couple. It features obviously rum-based liqueur, lime zest, lime juice, ginger, clove, almonds. So it's really bright, acidic, tart, but then you've got those spices in the background, some heat from the ginger and those cloves. So it's very bright, versatile liqueur to use in tiki drinks. But if you're not interested in checking out the workshop, you can Google this. Falernum number 9 is the particular recipe that I used. So easy drink. Following the specs from the Speakeasy book, which is by the team from Employees Only. So half an ounce, 15 ml of falernum straight into the shaker, and half an ounce, 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Just calls for a brief shake just to add some dilution and to chill these ingredients down. Transfer it to your highball glass and top it up with more ice if required. Top it up with ginger beer. In the book, they do use their house-made ginger beer, but they call for Fever Tree as an alternative. So it should be 4 ounces, 120 ml, roughly. You want to stop short from the top. That should do. And then measure out Gosling's Black Seal Rum, 2 ounces, 60 ml. This is one of 2 trademark drinks. So Dark and Stormy, it technically has to be made with Gosling rum. And the other one is the Painkiller. Add it to the top. Perfect. There you have the employees only variation on the Dark and Stormy. Looks great. If you wanted to, you could garnish with a lime wheel or the spent lime. So for the tasting, I'll give it a gentle stir, mix all the ingredients together. I did like the presentation of the drink. Look good. Cheers. Yeah, that's a wicked variation on the Dark and Stormy. Like, it just brightens it up, brings more spice to it from the clove and the ginger. Ginger adds a lot of heat, especially in combination with the ginger beer itself. It's quite spicy, works magically. Like, obviously falernum, it's a rum-based liqueur. It's, you know, it's got spices and lime, so it's destined to pair with rum. On that note, well worth trying, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.